Alright, seriously, it's almost freaking March. Alright, this driveway was 100% visible yesterday, and now it's like not, so this is cool. Gotta go out, gotta clear off my car, and this fucking blows. I'm pissed. I thought winter was over, but clearly it is not. It's really dark, but you can see, like, here, I'll step in it. Oh shit. Fuck that, dude. Why is this happening? Look at that ice. Wow. Alright, well, just thought would give you guys a little weather update over here in Minnesota, yeah. So, yeah, fuck snow.